What if I told you that this coffee or that extra streaming subscription is literally stealing $500,000 from you right now? This isn't a metaphor. Most people look wealthy. They have the newest iPhones, the latest sneakers, and cars on credit. But dig deeper, and 60% of them don't even have $1,000 for a car repair. Today, I'm going to show you a boring secret that transforms your invisible $100 into a fortune that will allow you to never work again. The problem isn't that we earn too little. The problem is the consumption cycle. Earn, spend, repeat. We buy things to appear successful, but we end up becoming slaves to our paycheck. If you don't have a $1,000 safety net, you are one financial emergency away from a total collapse. But there's a way out. And it starts with $100 a month. That's just the price of a couple of dinners out. Why exactly $100? Because it's a psychological threshold. If you start investing it today at a 10% annual return, the S&P 500 average, here's what happens. In 10 years, you have $18,000. Nice, but not shocking. In 40 years, you have over $500,000. Look at this graph. Your personal money is just the foundation. Everything else is the children and grandchildren of your money working for you while you sleep. Albert Einstein didn't call compound interest the eighth wonder of the world for nothing. Don't have an extra $100? Let's check. First, a subscription audit. Do you really watch all 5 of those services? Second, negotiation. A quick call to your internet provider saying, "I'm switching to a competitor," often cuts your bill by 20%. Finally, the pay-yourself-first principle. Set up an auto transfer on payday. That $100 should hit your investment account before you even buy groceries. The hardest part isn't the math. It's not quitting when the market dips or when a new PlayStation comes out. Investing is a marathon. Once your account passes the first $10,000, you'll feel the rush. You'll stop seeing the price of things and start seeing the opportunity cost. That $100 dinner today is $1,000 of your future retirement. Are you ready to make that choice? Comment below with the amount you're going to start saving this month. Subscribe, because here we build wealth without magic or lotteries. See you in the next video.